Hi, welcome. My name's Craig, and I'm continuing my patch up for my new Ethernet. Obviously, this is the last bit. As you can see, my laptop's in the bedroom, but the way I'm getting internet is through my TPLinks, which are the power lines. Now, I'll show you briefly what they are. These are the adapters, the TP-Link. Obviously, they're small, but Ethernet on the bottom. They just simply plug in the wall. You use your electrics in your house, and it sends the signal down through that into another room. So instead of having all Ethernet across around the bloody house, or you can just one of them pack. I bought these for about £20, and they're pretty useful. Don't get no problems. In fact, because the TP-Link in my flat only get 80 meg, it actually increases, believe me or not. I wouldn't thought it, but yeah, it's worth, if any of you don't have any of these, it's worth just having them instead of using Ethernet across the house, or just do patch up, or just do your own network using network patches, or the I can't think what they call I can't think of the name, but the switches. So yes, that was the switches. But yeah, all you do, you place that into your wall, you power up. But obviously, because mine is already synced, I won't have to show you that. But obviously, you take your new Ethernet cable, which is one of them. Don't forget to pack. These are brand new gold plated cat7, and simple. It just goes in from one end into your power line. If I just take it up to show you, you just basically obviously make sure it goes in the right way, not the other way. If you go the other way, you're more likely to break the tip of your Ethernet. So yeah, that's a good tip. So in there, and obviously the power line are really useful. You can just have them, or if you're having trouble with the internet, all you need is Wi-Fi range extenders, which boosts the Wi-Fi in your house, and it helps to, say, your basement, you can't get down there and you can't run the cable. It depends on variance of the environment, the house, so it depends really. So without further ado, I'll just put it in and look for the Ethernet. Now, me being in IT extensive myself, basically you just put, if you haven't got no Ethernet port on your laptop, then I suggest just going Wi-Fi where you can, but if you can't, doesn't matter, because I prefer wired, because you get the speed and you get maximum performance. So yeah, that is it, I think, to that. Sorry, I'm just gonna take that back out, put that in. Oh dear me, there you go. Well, that's just pretty much it, and basically that is it for my network, like I've just shown you. Just tidy that up a bit. That it should be fine. There you go, perfect. Result. Now, what I will do is I don't know what to do it on a separate video. I don't know. Actually, yes, I'll do it on a separate video, because I've done 3 separate ones. These are going to be uploaded to my YouTube page and my Craig's Computer Solutions page, which is handy. I try to update it with stuff and keep you informed, but this is going to go on there as well. Hope you enjoy these videos, and any comments whatsoever, or any problems, or you can always just post on Facebook, a comment, or you can just simply ask for help. I'm here, I'm Craig Bryant, and that is it. Thank you.